Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you get the Legend of Zelda, Ocarina of Time on your PC. To begin, understand that emulation lets your computer mimic a classic console, allowing you to play its games. You'll need two main components: an emulator, which is the software that acts like the console, and a game ROM, which is a digital copy of the game itself. Before starting, always check that your personal computer meets the recommended system requirements for your chosen emulator to ensure smooth gameplay. When it comes to playing Nintendo 64 games on your computer, you have excellent emulator options. Project 64 is widely recognized for its ease of use and straightforward setup, making it a great choice for beginners. For those seeking more control and advanced features, Mupen 64 Plus provides extensive customization. Take a moment to explore reviews and community recommendations to select the emulator that best fits your technical comfort level and desired experience. The game ROM is essentially a digital snapshot of the original game cartridge. It contains all the game data needed for the emulator to run it. It is important to note that, legally, you should only download and use ROMs for games you already physically own. To find the Ocarina of Time ROM, a simple online search for Ocarina of Time ROM will lead you to various community-driven websites where these files are often hosted for download. Once you have your emulator and the Ocarina of Time ROM, the final steps are straightforward. First, install the emulator software and spend a few minutes configuring its video, audio, and control settings to your liking. Next, open the emulator and use its File or Open ROM option to load your downloaded Ocarina of Time ROM file. For the most authentic and enjoyable experience, we highly recommend connecting a compatible gamepad to your computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.